So without further ado, I'm giving the word to Sasha. Go for it. Tell them how to make NITRO ice cream.
Thank you, Nikolai. Tonight we're gonna cook. I'm not Heisenberg. But
Yeah, we're gonna cook meth.
we're gonna cook some delicious ice creams. We're gonna cook several kinds of ice creams. I will speak English. My English not perfect, so if you don't understand any words I am telling you, can raise your hand and ask me to slow my speech. Okay? First of all, I will ask you some questions about your kind of ice cream we will make first. So tell me, Boris, what your favorite kind of something? Yes, ice cream or maybe fruit or maybe some desserts.
No,
Your favorite ice cream?
my favorite,
Yes.
cookies, sugars. I love everything.
Everything. So what is the most lovely kind of dessert?
So, I don't know, maybe chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, got it. Then you girls. You. Banana. The only day I didn't bring bananas.
I have bananas.
with me. The only day I made ice cream without banana.
I have bananas.
You have?
Yes, I can add.
Okay, we can
Okay,
do
we
it.
have bananas.
Next. Okay, next. What is the favorite kind?
Mango ice cream or a mango ice cream.
Oreos.
Yes.
Mangoes or Oreos?
What
Got it.
Oreos?
Oreos is cookies.
Oreo.
Oreo. Cookies.
Oreo.
Chocolate cookies.
I want to try with mango and I like vanilla, chocolate, Oreo too.
Okay, thanks. Kirill, what's your favorite kind of ice cream? Okay, chocolate. Got it.
Chocolate
White
will be...
As for me, I like ice cream with fruits and berries.
With fresh fruits and berries.
Yes.
Yes, I got it. Thank you very much for your interaction. And I guess we're gonna make first ice cream with mango.
Hey, it's nitrogen, guys. Show it to ours. Show it to ours for nuts.
So, while I will cook, you can chew it, you can put it in your mouth. We will take,
100 grams.
no, we will take like, I think, not so much, 30 milliliters
Okay.
of sugar. We're gonna cut our mango.
Yes.
Do you know how it should be cut?
There is seed inside, big seed. Very big. So we have to cut around this.
Yeah, I'm gonna grind it. It's the same if you would add grinded carrot in your ice cream. I will try first by myself, and I will tell you anyway. Yeah.
Okay, we put mango in the milk, into the milk.
Into the cream.
Into the cream, yes. Mango.
Milk is cream.
It's cream, yes. Sugar and cream. That's all.
Never saw.
So what do we have?
Yes.
Mango.
Like a little bit yellower than white. The great moment of me trying this ice cream.
Well, come on, it's just
ready
cream.
ice?
Huh?
Is it ready ice?
Oh, trying this sweet cream. Okay. It's not ice, but it should be sweet.
Okay, we just need some nitrogen. So how is it? Tell us.
It's like you add some carrot into cream.
How much do you need?
It depends. And what effect would you like?
How much
Strong
do you like?
effect.
Strong? Then we have to do it like this.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Try the chocolate ice cream with whiskey.
Do you feel alcohol inside? I feel.
Ольга. Оль. Do you want ice cream? One.
What is the good one?
What kind of ice cream do you like next?
What kind of ice cream do you like? With alcohol or without alcohol?
Without.
Then put some Oreos there. In this bowl.
Okay, thank you all for coming. See you on the next time.